Good afternoon, and I'd like to wrap up our Treasury note trade recommendations that were made at 6:45 a.m. Central Time this morning. We do this so you'll have the trading ideas, the trading levels well before the facts, so you can profit. A lot of good trading that takes place just after the opening bell in Treasury, and we like to take advantage of that. We started out last night wanting to sell 26s to 2604s. The overnight session high was a half. We lowered the sell zone to 28 to the buck after the news hit. And you can see that you had multiple opportunities to trade from the short side. We had hoped to buy the 17 to 21 area early on, but we raised the buy up 21 to 25. We had a very, very compressed trading range, not a lot of activity, not a lot of volatility, and you can see that you had multiple opportunities to buy the 21 to 25 area. So it was a bracketed market. It was sideways. You just worked support and resistance value area highs and lows, and it was a very rewarding day trading, even though it was a low volatility day. Sometimes that happens, and if you're active on a low volatility day and you have modest trading targets after you initiate a trade, you can do quite well. The underlying or operative word is active. We had a beautiful setup off the morning. Our normal setup is a retest failure. We had it here. You could have been short as high as 30. If that was too risky for your trade, because we did have news, you could sell stop into the market. And in this case, you would be short at 29. So the sell was from 29 to really as high as 30.5. And the first break stopped at 24.5. The market did rotate up, gave us a mean green trade, and it's done by a limit sell against the green line. So you would have had a resting limit sell at 27.5. The market then traded down to 23.5. We're still getting lower highs, so we're still on the sell side of the market. And in this case, the resistance was at 26. If you'd leaned against this high right here, you were short at 25.5. And the market managed to trade down to 22.5 off that particular trade. So the mean green trade and our trade off the opening up there, the trade down to 24.5, you were up 4 to 5.530 seconds on this first trade. The second trade, you were short at 27.5. We traded at 23.5. That gave you 2.5 to 3.5, 30 seconds. And on the trade, the retest failure, you were short at 25.5 to as low as 24, and the market managed to trade down to 22.5, and that gave you 1 to 330 seconds. So if you took the low side, you had 430 seconds, 2.5, 6.5, 7.5, 30 seconds, almost $250. To the high side, you'd had 9 and 3 was 12, which would be $375. So it's really a great day of trading. The market played to our script. We were selling against 28s, and you can see there was 3 trading opportunities there. And buying 21s to 25s, you had 4 to 5 opportunities as the day progressed. So really, really a good trading day for us in the note, even though we didn't have a lot of volatility to work with after the news. For more information on CN Futures Trading, please visit our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll get an overview of what we do offer in the form of software, educational products, and trading methodology. We also offer you a free 5-day trial offer where you can visit our trading rooms, and you'll see how we do live, real-time as the markets trade up and down through the day. If you wish to contact us, our email address is info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. I look forward to seeing you in our trading room in the not-so-distant future. In the meantime, good trading.